Hello everyone, this is Mirfan and welcome to Digital Cooperatives. This is a new tutorial about the DC WhatsApper. So what is DC WhatsApper? DC WhatsApper is a bulk WhatsApp marketing software. You have placed order for the DC WhatsApper, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install DC WhatsApper on your Windows PC. So remember that it's for the Windows PC. If you're using any other operating system, then it will not work. So it's only for the Windows. And how you can activate the license on your PC. So first of all, when you have downloaded the DC WhatsApp, you got this file with the name DC WhatsApp and the version name of the DC WhatsApp. You are going to get the lifetime updates for this software for free, so you don't have to worry about that. This is a zip file, so if you are unable to open that, that could be the reason you're not be able to open it, because it's a zip file. You can extract it if it gives you the option. You can right click on that file, and if you see any option in Windows, normally you can see extract all. If you're not getting any option like that, then what you have to do, you have to install all WinRAR software. So WinRAR is a software that you can install for free on your Windows PC. Simply you can go to Google. You can simply Google it. You can just go to Google and type WinRAR, okay, and download. It's a free. You can download it. When you install the free version, maybe it will ask you to upgrade it, but you can cancel the upgrade option. Simply download it from the WinRAR and install it. Then you will be able to see this zip file and right click on it, and then you will get the option extract here. You can simply click on that. When you click on extract here, you will get these three files. So these are the files. First file that you can read is the instructions, because DC WhatsApp is a paid software. So to get a license for this software, you have to make a payment, and for that you can deposit the funds to our local bank accounts. Details are provided here. You can also send us payments via PayPal, Payoneer. It's up to you. Or if you would like to make payment in cryptocurrency, you can do that. So how we are going to install that? This is a setup file. You can install this file. Simply right click on that and click on install, or you can double click on it and it will give you the prompt to proceed further. So welcome to DC WhatsApp setup. Click on next, and again it will give you the destination or the file location where the file will get installed. If you want to change that, you can do that. Otherwise, it's the default option, and click on next, and everyone will be able to use this software on your PC. You click on next, again click on next. Wait for that. It will give you the option a prompt. We have to select the yes, and installation has been completed. So you can see installation complete and click install. So once the software has been installed, you will be able to see an icon on the desktop. And what will be the icon? So let me show you. Once the software has been installed, you will see that DC WhatsApp icon on your desktop. So this is the icon that you can see here. So this is the default icon for our software. You will double click on that to run it for the first time, and when you run the software, it will give prompt to activate the software. All right, so this is the window that you will see when you run the software for the first time on your PC. Let me hide the icons. So this is the activation code that you have to provide us to our team. You can email us because we have provided the contact information here. You can simply email us here, or you can WhatsApp us on this number, or maybe you can contact us through our email or through the website as well. This is the activation code that you're gonna provide us, and then our team will give you the activation key for this product. Once the key is provided to you, you can simply click and activate, and your license will be activated for that period of time, and after that you will be able to use it. So when you provide us with that activation code, our team will send you the activation key, and Then after inserting the activation key is going to be different for every PC. So insert the activation key here and click on activate now, and your software will be activated for that period of time. So this is the interface of DC WhatsApper. Here you can upload your Excel file, you can insert the numbers, you can manually type your numbers here, you can connect your WhatsApp account by scanning the QR code. Here you can type the message that you want to send, and here you can add the buttons within your message if you want to include, and here you can add the files, the attachments that you want to send with the message. So, and on the top you can see it's a message 1, message 2, message 3. So you can create different copies of your message, and then you can use it within the message to send to your customers. And below that you can see it's a delay setting, so you can control the sending speed. So like wait, uh, how many seconds do you want to wait after every message, after every how many messages, like you want to 10 to 20 second delay after every 10 messages. So this is kind of you can create different batch of 5 messages, 10 messages, 20 messages, then a specific break. And this is the wait, like 4 to 8 seconds for every message. So you can create different batch, and there is also a time schedule for every SMS as well, every message that you're going to send on WhatsApp. Then you can click on start campaign, and it will give you option or prompt to connect your WhatsApp account and then start sending the messages. Other tools here, you can, here if you click on that, you will be able to see your WhatsApp groups. You can click your and send message to the groups from here as well. And here are the other features that our software has. You can grab group members from different, if you are the members of any group, and you can extract the group members, grab WhatsApp group links from the web pages. This is the very cool feature of our software. You can grab group links from the websites, and then you can join them, and then you can send them the message as well. You can also extract the members from the groups and then send them messages. So this is a great feature, and this is the feature auto respond bot, how you can create your own bot and respond automatically. Then here is a contact list grabber. You can grab your own contact list, and here is a Google Map data extractor. So you can extract the numbers from the Google Map, because every business is listed on the Google Map. You can search the queries, and it will search locations according to your niche. So if you want to get phone numbers or data of the restaurants owners, you can go through that. If you want to extract data of doctors, engineers, and all that retailers, you can give a specific niche and you can give a location, then you can extract the data from Google Map. Here is a auto group joiner. So if you have a link of WhatsApp groups, because you can extract from the web pages, and then you can use this feature to join the groups. Then what is a WhatsApp group filter? This will help you to filter the WhatsApp numbers, either it's activated on WhatsApp or not. And then we have grab active group members. So active group members are those who are participating within the WhatsApp groups. And here is a grab chat list, so you can extract numbers from your own chat list. And here is bulk add group members, so you can also add members to your own groups as well. And here is a group finder. This option helps you to find the groups, and then you can send the SMS, your message. So these are the features within our software. We are adding more features in the coming updates, but that's it for now. So we will create a detailed tutorial about DC WhatsApp in future as well. If you have purchased this license, you will also get access to a premium WhatsApp marketing course, the in detailed course, how you can do WhatsApp marketing on your PC and how you can proceed further.